Good morning, friends. This is Mama. I'm going to be making some chili dog chili. Follow along with me if you wish. I'm going to add 1 pound of ground chuck, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Let me check that. That's what I thought. One half teaspoon of onion powder. I'm not going to put no onions in it because I don't like the chunky stuff. And 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. One half teaspoon of smoked paprika. Some salt. And some cumin. I love the earthy spices. And 2 cups of water. This is going to go on the stove and simmer for 1 hour. Now that the meat has cooked for 1 hour, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of tomato sauce, one teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, give this a little mix-a-rooney. It's going to go back on the stove and simmer for another 30 minutes. And now it's all finished. Ooh, that spoon's hot. That's what it'll look like, the texture. Now I'll make me up a chili dog. Don't have no hot dog buns, so I'm using a slice of bread. That's the story of my life. I never had buns. So I'm going to add a big spoonful of chili hot dog, chili dog chili. Got the onions. A little bit of cheese. Some jalapenos for those of you that like it spicy. And you can also add some crushed red pepper or some cayenne pepper if you like it spicy. So there we have it. I'm going to try to get me a bite of it. You know me, I don't eat peppers. Perfect. what I do with this, I freeze it in individual containers. And when I get ready for a chili dog, I just pull one out, thaw it out. Quote of the day: the weak can never forgive. Forgiveness comes from the strong. Y'all have a good day, and thanks for watching.